How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying English for 2 years.
What have you been doing since morning?
I have been reading my favorite book since morning.
Where have you been living lately?
I have been living in Karachi for the past 6 months.
Who has been teaching you grammar lessons?
My English teacher has been teaching me grammar lessons.
Why have you been feeling tired today?
I have been feeling tired because I have been working all night.
What have you been watching recently?
I have been watching English movies recently.
How long have you been waiting for your friend?
I have been waiting for my friend for half an hour.
Where have you been traveling this month?
I have been traveling around northern Pakistan this month.
What has she been cooking in the kitchen?
She has been cooking biryani in the kitchen.
How long has he been learning guitar?
He has been learning guitar for 3 months.
Why has it been raining since morning?
It has been raining since morning because of the monsoon season.
Who has been helping you with your assignments?
My sister has been helping me with my assignments.
What have you been thinking about all day?
I have been thinking about my future plans all day.
How long have they been playing football?
They have been playing football for 2 hours.
What have you been listening to lately?
I have been listening to motivational podcasts lately.
Where have you been working since last year?
I have been working at a software company since last year.
Why have you been feeling sleepy today?
I have been feeling sleepy because I slept late last night.
What has she been writing in her diary?
She has been writing her daily experiences in her diary.
How long have you been preparing for the exam?
I have been preparing for the exam for a month.
Who has been calling you repeatedly?
My cousin has been calling me repeatedly.
What have you been studying this week?
I have been studying English grammar this week.
Where have you been going every evening?
I have been going to the gym every evening.
How long have you been feeling unwell?
I have been feeling unwell for 2 days.
What has he been fixing in the garage?
He has been fixing his old car in the garage.
Why have you been missing classes?
I have been missing classes because of health issues.
Who has been looking after your dog?
My neighbor has been looking after my dog.
What have you been drawing on that paper?
I have been drawing a landscape on that paper.
How long has she been learning French?
She has been learning French for 6 months.
What have you been reading recently?
I have been reading a book about success.
Where have they been staying during the holidays?
They have been staying at their grandparents' house.
Why have you been laughing so much?
I have been laughing because of a funny video.
What has he been repairing since morning?
He has been repairing his bike since morning.
How long have you been attending this course?
I have been attending this course for 3 weeks.
What have you been telling your friends about?
I have been telling my friends about my new job.
Who has been cleaning the classroom?
The students have been cleaning the classroom.
What have you been eating for breakfast?
I have been eating oatmeal for breakfast.
How long have they been waiting at the bus stop?
They have been waiting at the bus stop for an hour.
What has she been buying from the market?
She has been buying fruits and vegetables from the market.
Why have you been studying all night?
I have been studying all night to finish my homework.
Who has been playing the piano so beautifully?
My brother has been playing the piano so beautifully.
What have you been planning for your vacation?
I have been planning a trip to the mountains.
How long have you been watching TV?
I've been watching TV for 2 hours.
What has he been drawing on the board?
He has been drawing a map on the board.
Where have you been spending your weekends?
I have been spending my weekends at the beach.
Why has she been crying recently?
She has been crying because she lost her phone.
Who has been painting the wall?
My uncle has been painting the wall.
What have you been searching for online?
I have been searching for English learning materials online.
How long have you been exercising daily?
I have been exercising daily for 1 year.
What has he been talking about in class?
He has been talking about environmental problems.
Where have you been learning photography?
I have been learning photography at a local studio.
Why have you been eating so little?
I have been eating little because I'm not feeling well.
Who has been working on this project?
My team has been working on this project.
What have you been dreaming about lately?
I have been dreaming about traveling abroad.
How long have they been staying here?
They have been staying here since January.
What has she been baking in the oven?
She has been baking chocolate cake in the oven.
Where have you been spending your time recently?
I have been spending my time at the library recently.
Why has he been shouting so loudly?
He has been shouting because he lost his wallet.
Who has been sending you these messages?
My colleague has been sending me these messages.
What have you been learning from your mistakes?
I have been learning patience and discipline from my mistakes.
How long have you been working in this office?
I have been working in this office for 5 years.
What has she been sewing on the machine?
She has been sewing a new dress on the machine.
Where have they been hiding the gifts?
They have been hiding the gifts in the cupboard.
Why have you been feeling sad today?
I have been feeling sad because I miss my family.
Who has been organizing the meeting?
Our manager has been organizing the meeting.
What have you been preparing for lunch?
I have been preparing pasta for lunch.
How long have you been jogging in the park?
I have been jogging in the park for 40 minutes.
What has he been building near the river?
He has been building a small hut near the river.
Where have you been traveling during summer?
I have been traveling across different cities during summer.
Why has she been staying up late recently?
She has been staying up late to study for exams.
Who has been helping you move the furniture?
My friends have been helping me move the furniture.
What have you been learning in your online class?
I have been learning communication skills in my online class.
How long have they been watching the show?
They have been watching the show since evening.
What has she been cleaning in the room?
She has been cleaning the windows in the room.
Where have you been sending your letters?
I have been sending my letters to my cousin in London.
Why have you been wearing that jacket?
I have been wearing that jacket because it's cold outside.